All right, guys, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do this video for Thanksgiving, but I'm going to show you how to make my cauliflower casserole. If you're stumbling across my channel for the first time, my name's Dave, and I was able to lose 202 pounds in less than 23 months, but the majority of that weight was lost after I started my low-carb diet. I was able to do this without any trainers, no surgery, no pills, no coaches. I did it all DIY. And on this channel, I'm just simply sharing my opinion and experience when it comes to diet, fitness, and weight loss. Be sure to stay tuned till the end because I'm going to show you a couple other things that I forgot to put in my last video as far as snacks to have around during the holidays. I call this my low-carb cauliflower casserole because it might not be keto for everyone. It all depends on your macros, guys. So by all means, you can manipulate this recipe any way you'd like to fit your macros. All right, guys, I know Thanksgiving is a cheat day for some of you, but for those of you who want to stay low carb through the holidays, you're going to love this recipe. It's going to blow away mashed potatoes and gravy. You're not even going to think about stuffing. All right, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm starting with a 12-ounce bag of cauliflower rice. I'm going to stick it in the microwave for 5 minutes. What I've got here is a 9-inch glass baking dish. Once the cauliflower rice has been preheated, I'm going to dump it into the dish. Next, I'm going to add some bacon bits. All right, guys, now I'm using this cheese sauce. You, by all means, can use any cheese sauce you want. If you find one that fits your macros better, go ahead and use it. But for this example, I'm just using this cheese. Then I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on top of it all. And now we're going to mix it up. We're going to get it nice and mixed, and then we're going to lay it nice and flat in the pan. Next, we're going to add a layer of cheese and sprinkle on top some bacon bits. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cover it. Obviously, if you have a glass lid, that would be better than using tin foil, but all I've got right now is tin foil, so I'm going to go ahead and cover it. All right, next I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees, and we're going to stick it in covered for 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I'm going to take a look at it, and if it looks good, I'm going to go ahead and take the cover off, and then just from here on out, it's just a matter of what your liking is as far as getting that melted cheese layer on top. If you want it a little crusty, you can keep it in a little bit more. If you just like it nicely melted, you can go ahead and pull it out whenever you're ready. All right, guys, here's a couple more snack ideas to get you through the holidays. A go-to for me are these bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. They're so good. These can definitely help get you through for a low-carb appetizer. Another thing I like to have around are these mozzarella sticks that are wrapped with meat. I picked these up at Sam's, and they're great to have around. All right, guys, if you end up trying this recipe for Thanksgiving or Christmas, be sure to let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think, if you liked it. Let me know if you use any of these hacks to get through the holidays, and I'll be definitely posting a lot more content coming up, so be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.